Place the origami paper face down. Fold it in half. Open it, then fold the other side in half. Next, fold it into a triangle. Open it up and fold the other side the same way. Fold each corner toward the center to form triangles. Open it, then fold up to the crease line. Do the same for all 4 corners. Flip it over and fold toward the center line. Fold the opposite side the same way. Open it once, turn it around, and fold like before. Lift one layer and fold this triangle in. Do the same on this side, fold the triangle in. Open the other side and fold the triangle too. Then fold it back to the original shape. Press a crease right here. Add another crease on this side too. Now open up this part carefully. And the box is complete. Made a smaller one too, perfect for tiny items. This channel shares drawing and craft videos for kids. Be sure to subscribe and check out the next video. See you next time.